right? So delta to star and star to delta transformation, right? Let us see the definitions of a star connection. See, this is the star connection. So your star connection definition is the terminals of three branches are connected to a common point is called star connection. Okay, the terminals of three branches are connected to a common point is called star connection. That means here, now here. So let us consider one resistor. This resistor has two terminals. For example, this is terminal 1 and terminal 2. Okay. Now consider another terminal. There is another resistor. This resistor also has two terminals. This is terminal 1. This is terminal 2. Now consider another element or resistor. Okay. This resistor also has two terminals, terminal 1 and terminal 2. Okay. So according to definition, the terminals of three branches, that means this is one terminal of first branch, this is one terminal of second branch, this is one terminal of third branch. Okay. Now these three terminals, right, are connected to a common point, right, like this. Are connected to a common point is called star connected network. Very simple. Now see here. So this terminal is this one terminal of R1 is connected to one point, right? One terminal of R2 is connected to same point, right? One terminal of R3 is connected to same point. Okay, that means the terminals of three branches, this is branch 1, branch 2, branch 3, are connected to a common point. This is the common point. It's called star connection. Very simple. That is star connection. Okay, na? So that is the definition of star connection. The terminals of three branches are connected to a common point. It's called star connection, right? Next one. Next definition is delta connection. So this is the delta connection. I'll show you the diagram also. See, delta connection. That means here, see the definition. The three branches of networks are connected in such a way that it forms a closed loop known as delta connection. Very simple. So here, this is branch 1, first branch, second branch, right? Third branch. These branches are connected in such a way that it forms a closed loop. This is the closed loop. It forms a closed loop is known as delta connection. Very simple. Closed loop means delta. Okay. Open path means star. Star means the branches of terminals are connected to a common point. Okay. All the terminals are open. But here it forms a closed loop. That is known as delta connection. That is the definition of delta. Okay. Now let us see delta to star transformation. Let us see the delta to star transformation. Okay. So for that, listen carefully, my students. Consider a star connected network. Okay. Consider a star connected network. The resistances is seen from terminals AB, BC, and CAR. Now see, this is the star connected network. I'll show you. This is the star connected network. Just now we have discussed. Okay. So first branch R1, second branch R2, third branch R3. What is the star connected network definition? The terminals of these branches are connected to common point. This is the common point. Okay. That is star connected network. So now consider star network, right? So from this star network, we have to calculate RAB. Listen carefully, my friends. RAB, that means equivalent resistance across AB terminals. That is RAB. Equivalent resistance across AB. Okay. Now see here. Listen carefully, my friends. All of you listen carefully. So RAB means this is terminal A, this is terminal B, this is terminal B. RAB, right? RAB means here now for finding equivalent resistance, what is the procedure here? Common procedure. Let us assume some current flow. Current passing through this, right? Current enters a terminal A and passing through R1, right? And via R2 and leaves the terminal B. So listen carefully here. We don't consider this resistance value. The reason is we need to calculate equivalent resistance across AB only, right? So AB means here this resistor is in air. This resistor is in air. There is no connection here. There is no connection here. Okay. So I need to calculate equivalent resistance across AB terminals. So for that, we need to consider R1 and R2 only. Very, very important. Don't confuse me here. We need to calculate RA and RB means we need to consider R1 and R2 only. That's why here from this circuit diagram, from this star connected network, RAB equal to R1 plus R2. So that is, let's assume that as equation 1. Next, consider BC, terminal B and terminal C. Okay, terminal B and terminal C means this is B, this is C. Now we need to calculate equivalent resistance across BC. Equivalent resistance across BC means don't consider this element. Okay, RBC. All same thing. This is the current flow. RBC. So RBC means equivalent resistance across BC means we need to consider R2 and R3. That's why here R2 plus R3. Okay, that is as equation 2. Assume that as equation 2. Next, consider RCA. Next, consider RCA. That means this is C terminal, this is A terminal. Okay, right. Simple ma. If you people have any doubt, you can ask me ma. Say simple connect one battery. Still you people not understand? Just listen this. Connect your battery across A and C terminals. Right. This is voltage source V. Now due to that battery delivers current I. Okay. Now this current passing through R1 as well as R3. Okay. It does not passing through R2. The reason is here this path is the terminal B is in open. Right. This resistor is in air. There is no closed path here. This is an open. That means current flow is like this only. Current flow is like this only. Okay. So this is the current flow like this. So what is R here? R equal to V by I. R equal to V by I. That means R equivalent across C and A terminal means here we need to consider current passing through terminals. That means R1 and R3 terminals. Okay, R1 and R3 terminals. That means R1 plus R3. That is the meaning. So RCA equal to R3 plus R1. Right. So that is equation 3. Right. These are the equations 1, 2, 3 from star connected network. My students, any doubt in this? Please respond ma. Any doubt in this? Now we need to derive one expression ma. Any doubt in this? Now we consider star connected network from that. Any doubt ma?
No sir.
Right ma. Thank you. Right. So here topic is transformation of delta to star transformation, right? That means now we consider star connected network, right? After completion of this, we need to consider delta connected network. From the delta connected network also, we need to calculate RAB, RBC, and RCA, right? Let us see those things. Let us see the delta connected network. The reason is here our main aim is to transform delta connected network to star. That's why we consider star connected network and delta connected network elements, right? After getting these elements, we need to equate both. From that, we need to derive the expression of delta to star transformation. Now see here, delta connected network. See here A terminal, B terminal, C terminal. Delta means closed path. Star means open path. Right? This is closed loop, right? RAB, RC. Now here also same thing. See, consider a delta connected networks. The resistance is seen from AB, BC, and CAR. AB, BC, and CAR, right? So here this is the network, right? That means here now from delta connected network we need to calculate RAB, equivalent resistance across AB terminals. Simple, similar to star connected network. We need to calculate RAB. Here also same thing, ma. Here also connect a battery across AB terminals. The battery delivers current passing through RB as well as RA and RC. Right? That is the way. Procedure is same. So here we need to calculate RAB. For that, now see here. Let us assume some current flow. Right? So this current is divided into two parts. Okay. So same current will flow. Here also same current will flow. Here also same current will flow. Whenever current flow is same, that circuit is said to be series. So RA and RC are connected in series. Simple. RA and RC, these two resistors are connected in series. But what about RB here? Here current flow is divided into two parts, right? That means here this RB is connected in parallel with series combination of RA and RC. That is the meaning. Okay, that's why here RAB equal to RB in, so here in parallel with RA plus RC. This is the parallel combination. This is the representation, parallel representation. RB parallel RA plus RC. Simple. Nothing is there. So RA, so here two resistors are parallel means product by sum. Right? Product by sum means RB into RA plus RC divided by product by sum. Product is RB into RA plus RC. Sum means RB plus RA plus RC. So here, so this is RAB. RB into RA plus RC in numerator, denominator sum. Numerator product. Okay, that is about RAB. Now we need to calculate RBC. So RBC means here these terminals RBC. So here also same thing. So let us assume some current flow. Current is divided into two parts. Okay, that means here now RB and RA are connected in series. That combination is connected in parallel with RC. That is your RBC. So here RBC, RC in parallel with RA plus RB. Okay, now next RCA. RCA means here these terminals. Now these two are connected in series. RB plus RC is connected in series. This combination is parallel with RA. Simple, right? So this one RCA, right? These are from delta connected network. Okay, so let us assume those equations are, see, equation 1 and equation 2 and equation 3. See, equation 1 from delta, equation 2, equation 3. Okay, so far we have derived star connected elements and delta connected elements. Next step is equating the above delta and star connected network resistances. Right, now equate those two. The reason is here we need to derive the expression for delta to star transformation. For that, first we have calculated delta connected elements, after that star connected elements. Now equate both, right? Simple. So here these are the elements. So R1 plus R2, that is RAB equal to R1 plus R2 from star connected network. Am I right? So delta connected network, so this one, this is delta connected network. RAB means this one. RB into RA plus RC by RA plus RB plus RC. This is from star connected network. RAB. This is from star connected network. RBC. This is from star connected network. RCA. Okay. So here RAB from star equal to RAB from delta. Here also same thing. RBC from star equal to RBC from delta. Okay. Here also RCA from star equal to RCA from delta connected network. Now we equate these expressions. So from this we get right. So these are the equations 1, 2, 3 equations, right? 1, 2, 3 equations. Next step is, see, next step is subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, right? That means here equation 1 minus equation 3 means here. See, this is the equation 1, right? See, this is the equation 1. Equation 1 minus equation 3. Okay, equation 1 minus equation 3 means here R1 is there, here R1 is there. Okay, R1 cancel with each other. So R2 minus R3, like that. Okay, sorry, subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. Wait a minute. See, equation 1 from equation 2. That means equation 1 minus equation 2. Okay, so in these things, common thing is, in these two expressions, common thing is here R2 cancel. R2 element is common. These two are cancelled with each other. That means
R1
here
minus
R1 minus R3 is equal to, here also same thing. Here also common elements are RA, RB is common. So here also, so not RA, RB, RC is common. Here RC, here RB. Here also RB, RC. Right? Those things are cancelled with each other. I'll show you those things. Right. See, R1 minus R3 is equal to RA, RB minus RC. That is RB, RC cancel. So in denominator RA plus RB plus RC. This is equation 4. Okay. Next step is adding equation 4 and equation 3. Now add equation 4 and equation 3. Equation 3 means R1 plus R3. Okay. Equation 4 is R1 minus R3 equal to this thing. Okay. Now add equation 4 and equation 3. From that we get R1 equal to this thing. R1 equal to RA RB by RA plus RB plus RC. This is the final derivation. Okay. R1 equal to RA RB by RA plus RB plus RC. If you want, I will show that also. Equation 4 and equation 3. See my students, here R3 plus R1, here R1 minus R3. Equation 4 and equation 3. Okay. So here RC RA, here RA into RC is a positive value. Here RC RA is negative value. Now these two are cancel with each other. Then in the numerator, you get RA RB. Okay. Here RA RB. These two are adding with each other. That means 2 times of RA RB. Simple. Okay. Now in denominator common. In both the expressions, denominator is common. RA plus RB plus RC. Here also RA plus RB plus RC. That's why RA plus RB plus RC. So 2R1 equal to this thing. So from that, R1 equal to from this R1 equal to RA RB divided by RA plus RB plus RC. Similarly, we can find R2 equal to RB RC by RA plus RB plus RC and R3 equal to RC RA by RA plus RB plus RC. Right? So this is about delta to star transformation. Right? So these are star connected elements. R1, R2, R3 are star connected elements. Right? That means star in terms of delta. That is the meaning. Right? Now, if people have any doubt in this, please ask him.